Hi students, as promised, I'm going to demonstrate the morning warm-up, the daily warm-up. This is the warm-up, there's no open strings. We're gonna put our first finger on the first fret, second finger on the second fret, third finger on the third fret, and fourth finger on the fourth fret on the sixth string, the E string. Starting out, we'll go slow and all down strums. We'll do each string 4 times, then I'll move up to the A string, to the D string, etc. And then this time I'm going to start at the first string and go backwards. Those of you that can keep up with that, try. Here we go. And a nice steady tempo. 1, 2, ready, play.